Everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says GIFT is recommended for those females who are option A having very narrow cervical canal which may not allow passage for sperms or passage of sperms, you can say. Then having unsuitable environment for fertilization, having issues with ovulation, not able to retain the fetus inside the uterus. Let us understand the question. The question says GIFT is recommended for those females. So what do you mean by GIFT? GIFT. GIFT is nothing but gametic, or you can say gamete also. Gametic intrafallopian tube, intrafallopian transfer, you can say. Intrafallopian transfer. So that means the gamete that is in the case of females, we call the gamete as ovum, right? The ovum is transferred into the fallopian tube. And further fertilization will happen naturally, when the female undergoes coitus with the male, and then the sperms can easily come and they can fertilize. Because there is no problem with respect to the formation, fertilization process or development of embryo. But only the problem is this female is not able to produce gamete, and that is why we perform gametic intrafallopian transfer. Okay, so it is recommended for those who cannot produce ovum. Okay, the females who cannot produce ovum. Okay, but then they have good environment for the development, fertilization as well as the development of the embryo. Okay, so those who cannot produce ovum or the female gamete. Okay, in them gamete transfer can be done. Option A, having a very narrow cervical canal which may not allow passage of the sperms. Option B, having unsuitable environment for fertilization, having issues with ovulation. Option D, not able to retain the fetus inside the uterus. So let us see. Option A says having very narrow cervical canal which may not allow the passage of sperm. So here, in this case, we can do artificial insemination. You don't need gamete transfer in the fallopian tube. So artificial insemination will work. Hence, this is ruled out. Option B is having unsuitable environment for fertilization. No, because if they have unsuitable environment for fertilization, then they have to go for in vitro fertilization, right? Or IVF, we can say. Hence, this is ruled out. Option C says having issues with ovulation. Yes, that is the correct answer because as I said, they cannot produce ovum or gamete. That means they are having issues with ovulation. So what is ovulation? Ovulation is nothing but production of ovum. Okay, that is having an issue here, and that is how we can go with this. Not able to retain fetus inside the uterus. No, they will be able to retain fetus, and that is how they are going for GIFT. Okay, so this again ruled out. So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer is option C. Okay, option C, that is they are having issues with ovulation, and that is why the ovum is being transferred in the intrafallopian, that is within the fallopian tube, or you can also call it as ovida. So option C is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.